Crazy chef. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, you know. Yeah, you know, Ackee I get real popular since we're there, so we decided say we'll make a Ackee video. You understand? So we can't make Ackee video with a bag of saltfish and beer things. Nah, sir, that's alright. So we decided so we'll make a Ackee video with some chicken. Yeah, man. Some stewed chicken and Ackee. But we not stew the chicken, we just a fry up the chicken. You understand? So we also get some Ackee, cook some Ackee. Whether I use Ackee in a can or I use Ackee pan tree. All you have to just brown up a chicken nice. Make sure them brown, just put some pepper and so on and stir up that. You understand? Then you put your cook Ackee, may I say, whether your Ackee come from tin or your Ackee come from tree. You understand? Then you stir up that, make that go on bubble for a while, make it sweat.